hot? You hot now, ain't you, sunshine? All right. Come on, let's take this off. Y'all, we are at the Carolina Premium Outlet. We are saying goodbye. Moving my vending machine. It's so hard to say goodbye. They unplugged my camera, everything.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm. See, it's not that big. Good morning. My eyes keep getting watery.
What?
I see.
When you're a professional mover like we are.
I see. I'm just a girl. Realize you came in here and I ordered. I ain't realize you came in here. I ain't even see you come in. Oh, I ain't even here.
Trying to keep it kind of low because we got some stuff here.
Toes, I done put it on the bros. I done put it in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. When I'm like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you.
Let me get on track. We want the trailer to go down. Yeah, underneath the wheel. Okay, now as soon as he get up here, then we can throw that off to the side.
Okay.
We just want to make it low. See that stuff? Back up a little bit more. Back up. Yeah, back up. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, good, good. Now, okay, you're on the trailer now. All right, level down. All right. Oh, I got to lock the trailer. Hold on a minute. Walk back toward the front. That's it.
That's it. You gonna get a cart? Good morning, editors. We are back with another video. We just want to give y'all some love this morning. Million, say good morning. Y'all, he's the star of the show. We are about to drop him off, and being that I'm going to switch over my Jersey plates to North Carolina plates, I need to get an inspection. At least that's what I think I'm supposed to do first. So I have an appointment at 10:30 with AAA, and then I have a nail appointment to get these nails cut down and a new design. So let's go, y'all. I also need to get gas, but I think I'm going to wait until, well, I can get gas because right now it's 9:37. Million is late for school. He was supposed to be there at 9 o'clock, but they know I show up around 9:30.
In 600 feet. In a quarter of a mile, use the right lane to turn right on Matthews Township Parkway. Then exit right to US 74 East, East Independence Boulevard.
All right, y'all, my boy is dropped off. The guy was like, you can look on the camera. He's going right outside. Baby, once I release him, he goes to y'all. Not me. Not me. Mommy is off duties, okay? Not me, babe. I'm good, my love and joy. I'm good, my love and joy. Something is telling me to go ahead and get gas, because I feel like once I reach Valentine, that gas gonna be like, who did it and why? Who did it and why? And plus, I have the app to the gas station, whatever this gas station called. I have the app, so I'm more comfortable going on the app and paying for it on my phone, because y'all know people be out here scamming and messing with the card readers and I don't have time for none of that. None of that. So I be like, oh no thanks, babe. Not on my watch. What do y'all say? Not on my watch. Y'all, it's nice out here today. Let's see what the weather gonna be. What that hook gonna be. I'm looking at LA. No, babe, I'm not in LA. Not yet. Y'all, today gonna be 84 degrees. Ooh. I might go get my car washed, because I done saw a little bird done decided to do his business on the hood of my car, and that is so disrespectful. Because do I come to their home and mess up their stuff? No, I don't. No, I don't. They got the road blocked off, y'all. going on out here? I'm nosy, y'all. Let me pull right here so I can see. Oh, they got the bike riders is out here today. Oh, that's what they have it for. Okay. All right, y'all. Let me. What gas station is this? Shell. What pump is this? Pump 3. I don't even know how much the gas is. I just pulled up in here. $4.29 at Exxon. How much is this gas? This gas say $4.29. Y'all, I'm gonna take my chances in Valentine. We're gonna take our chances in Valentine because $4.29 for gas is crazy. Like, that's crazy. So we're about to see if I need a North Carolina inspection. I'm at AAA right now. So it says on the information that I have a year to do it, but let's see. I just found out they told me that I don't have to get my inspection done as of yet. They said next year I would have to do it because they give me like 30 days or something like that. I forgot. But next year I have to do it. So that works out. I'm happy about that. So now we got to see if I could get my nail appointment. If I could get it earlier. Because I had it for 11:30. So let's see. We are back at the nail salon. I go to Ombre Valentine, y'all. I know I've been seeing like people comment on like my TikTok or my Instagram and be like, what nail salon you go to? What nail salon you go to? Maybe I go to Ombre. I either go to Sam or I go to Carla. But everybody here is really, really good. So we're trying to figure out what design we want to do. I'm thinking about this or just a clear. I think I'm just going to get a clear. No, I'm going to do a French today. Do I want to do French? I just think I want like a clean, just cut my nails down and do a clean clear coat. Y'all, I be so indecisive when it comes to my nails. I feel like trying to figure out what design I want for my nails is the same way the girls be if they're trying to figure out if they want a middle or a side part. Like, it really be that deep. It really be that deep. Or should I get like a butter yellow on my nails? I don't know. Decisions. Well, let's figure this out. So the nail that I decided to do is
If it's the same ones that they brought last time, I'm gonna get the same thing I got last time.
oh yeah, it looks like she has like some strawberry. Is that what it is? Excuse me. It's good to do it now because once it gets hot, it's
That's
gonna
a
be
lot of people.
It's gonna be a wrap.
Last time
right, y'all, our nails are done. They look so good. I'm always going in there like, oh, I'm just gonna get a clear coat and come out, bam, a design every time. Y'all, if anybody know what these little candies are called, I have no idea, but the nail salon always have them in blue and red. Can somebody drop them in the comment? I didn't see the owner, so I couldn't ask him. But y'all, these little things are so good. So good. So now it is 12:48, so I still have some more time to spare. I think I'm just gonna go home and relax, but I do want to get me some Lemmy gummies. So I'm right here by Sprouts. I'm gonna see how much they are at Sprouts and pick them up and then go home, because I know Sprouts had them on sale when I looked online, so I want to see if they're still going to be on sale and if they have them in stock.
Till I came back 3-4. Everybody stressed.
Everybody's stressing.
When it end up hurt the most. Now you sitting with regret while I'm out here counting up. Should've thought about that pride.
The man was sitting in there, right? And like, he was just like, how you doing? And then when I got ready to say, like, you know, hope you have a great day, he said, oh, I don't, did I interrupt something? My bad, sir. Y'all, so we came over to Ballantyne. This says this is South Mecklenburg, because I'm over here. What's that? Oh yeah, this is South Mecklenburg. Y'all, the gas on this side of Exxon is $4.79, but I came to the south side. I guess it's considered the south side. I don't know what this is, but it's still Ballantyne, and the gas over here is $4.19. So yeah, a win is a win, because $4.79 is crazy. Let's get our gas, y'all. We pay $39.42. We're gonna get every drop of gas that we got, because who about to waste some gas? Not I, said the cat. Okay. Crazy.
Yeah.